All right. So actually, I just noticed there isn't plagiarism in your summary. I did not see the quotation marks around. You've got quotation marks around this. And then this. Yeah. So because there are quotation marks, it's not technically it's not plagiarism, but a summary should not have quotes. A summary should be your own words. So that's the problem. Let me show you how to check plagiarism though for future reference. I do it this way, and I'll show you how you do it in a second. I click here on the little rectangular box with the percentage, because what that percentage is turn it in saying that 31% of your assignment has been matched to previously published work. And I click this little paper icon, and I click the percentage number again, and see how Turnitin sort of matches these lines to this source, these lines to this source, and etc. And the reason you might wonder, why is it matching my essay to my summary to some student papers in random places? And the answer is that they also used the same source, and so they quoted the same lines, and that's why it does that. It's kind of weird the way it does that. And then, so for you to check your originality report, you're looking for that little rectangle with the percentage too, but you go in through grades and you scroll down and you look for this little flag. That means there's an originality report attached to the assignment. I'm going to look at this one. You have to click on the title because you can't click on the flag. And then you click the flag here, and then it gets you to that same report. But I'm going to fix your grades. You're not going to get 100% just because you didn't do it right. You're supposed to put it in. Summarizing is to put it in your own words, not to quote. So, but I'm glad I had a closer look, and there is no plagiarism.